So would you take a look at Tesla stock go, guys? Check it out. The market's just closed 10 minutes ago, and Tesla went up almost 5% on the day. It broke over 230 bucks per share, and it went up almost $11 on the day. So we have to break down the charts here, where I see Tesla stock going and why the stock moved today. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to snag up your free stocks from Moomoo, up to 15 stocks with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which guys, that's a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Again, Tesla went up a whopping 5% on the day, which isn't like a crazy green day for Tesla, but in the midst of an overall red day for the stock market, I would say that's very good. We actually had the Russell go down 0.6%. S&P and the Dow went down about 0.25% to about 0.5%, and the NASDAQ did have a little bit of a green day, but pretty much break even. So we did sell off across the board, and Tesla had a very good green day, which I would say is a great sign. And we'll talk about again why this is going on, why this is happening. It has to do with full self-driving. So take a look here. With today's pop, we are now seeing the inverse head and shoulders that I outlined a couple of videos ago. That's slowly starting to play out, right? You guys see the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're popping out now with today's move above the highs from the middle end of August, right? You guys see that, and now we're filling the gap, this little gap right here, up to about 230, 235, which was the high from the end of July, early August, right? You guys see that right here. So if Tesla is able to break out of 235 in the very short term, let me set my alert there right now. Mark is at or above 235 bucks per share. Then we could fill the gap potentially up to about, let's see here on the chart, maybe 250 to 255, which actually was the high here from it looks like the end of July, middle of July. So let's just say, needless to say, there could be a lot more upside here on the short term on Tesla if it's able to get out of that 235 level. So let me show you guys quickly here why the stock ended up moving today. Bear with me here, guys. By the way, run those likes up. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in here as always. And we're getting closer and closer to 50,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is the goal for this year. I appreciate your support as always. So here you guys can see Tesla says it will launch full self-driving product in Europe and China early next year, which is very big news. You guys see that headline right here. So let's dig in a little bit deeper. So we can see here Tesla said it will launch its full self-driving driver assistance product in Europe and China early next year. And in an X post in the social media platform that Elon Musk owns, he said that, let's see here, the EV company said that the service, which comes as a paid add-on feature for Tesla customers, is slated for launch in the two regions in the first quarter of 2025, pending regulatory approval. You guys see right here, right? And shares of Tesla pop 6% on this news, and Tesla is yet to receive regulatory permission to launch its FSD product in Europe and China, but Musk said in July that he expects to get this clearance by the end of 2024. So things are starting to look bright when it comes to FSD. And if he does get that clearance by the end of this year, oh guys, this stock could end up going a lot higher. So-called full self-driving, or FSD, has been a key pillar of Musk's strategy to make Tesla a more AI-centric company and push toward self-driving technology. Because now, let's be honest, guys, Tesla mostly sells cars. Yes, they're looked at as a tech company, a software company even, but to get that higher valuation, they're going to need to be more of an AI, more of a full-on tech software company, right? If they're just a car maker, the valuation can't be that high, or it's not warranted for it to be that high. But of course, it's more of a tech company, an AI company, right? That's on four wheels. At least that's the way Elon is pitching it. Some people agree with that, disagree with that, whatever it may be. I'm not here to make this a debate per se, but despite the label on its products, FSD is not actually capable of making its vehicles fully autonomous. Drivers are still required to sit behind the wheel and keep their eyes on the roads, as well as take over when needed, which to me, it's like, at that point, what the heck's the point? If I don't trust the car to fully self-drive, if it doesn't even do that, if it can't do that, I'd rather just drive. I mean, if I can't just chill behind the wheel on my phone or do this or do that, do some work, what the heck's the point? I'd rather just drive it. That's just me. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But FSD is an upgrade to Tesla's autopilot driver assistant feature, which is already available in Europe and China. Where the heck did that water go? I just realized, guys, I am freaking parched right now, but I guess I'm going to have to wait. It's all good. But FSD is an upgrade, again, to driver assistant autopilot. And since 2016, Musk has promised investors that Tesla will deliver technology capable of making its existing cars drive entirely by themselves since 2016. So this has been a long time coming. And you guys know Elon, his deadlines are very, let's just say, out there. He never hits his deadlines. He's very ambitious. So for all we know, it might not happen for another 5 years. I don't freaking know, guys. But yeah, since 2016, he's been pitching this vision, and slowly but surely, it's starting to come to life. But for me, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of autonomous driving. Maybe I'm a bit too anxious about it. I don't fully trust it, to be honest. And B, I'd much rather just drive myself. I think the whole experience of a car, well, part of it is driving it yourself. I don't know about you guys, but part of it for me is driving it yourself. Excuse me, guys. Oh my goodness. I need some water. But yeah, what do you guys think about that? I'm actually very curious. Let me know down below in the comments. But when it comes to the stock in the short term, again, breakout could be right around the corner if 235 takes out. If we take it out, 250, 255 could be next. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Join the mailing list. It's free to get my top 3 stocks to your inbox every single Monday. And don't forget to also get up to 15 now. The $20 stock, or the 20 stocks deal has ran out, but you can get up to 15 stocks with at least a $100 deposit on Moomoo, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, that's linked down below. Get your money. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video.